Hi everyone, it's Lori and welcome to my channel. Today is a quick video just to give you a couple New Year updates. So first and foremost, Happy New Year and thank you for being part of my channel. It has grown tremendously in 2024. We've added over 3,000 new subscribers and I've done a lot of content. I try to post every week and I think I did that all except for 1 month this summer. Now, I wanted to also thank you for your kind comments, your questions, your support of each other. It's just a really positive community, and that's why I keep making videos and keep putting them out there. So I get a lot of analytics from YouTube, and I thought I'd share with you some of our top videos from this year in case you missed something that you might want to go back and watch. I always find it interesting when I see some stats and know kind of what is available and out there. So I thought I'd share a few things with you from the channel. I also want to tell you about something brand new for 2025. So many of you have written to me and asked that I create a YouTube membership channel or membership space. And I've gone ahead and taken the lead. So now it's up to you guys. If you want to participate and want to join in, the channel is built and ready to go. So to find out more, I will show you in just a second. Let's jump onto the computer now together. Okay, so the top content actually for last year, some of the videos I had created in 2023. So if you haven't watched my videos on the Pep Ventosa style method, those are definitely have been popular. 3 must-do flower edits still remains at the top, and ICM photography. And then there's one on editing textures. So new for last year, some videos that you may or may not have seen, creating a texture from a photo using smudge brushes. So smudge brushes are really fun. If you're interested in diving into that in Photoshop, I would encourage you to rewatch or watch that video. I did a whole winter project on submerged flowers in water and ink. I may do that again this winter. Impressionistic imagery using Lightroom and Photoshop. So this was a really fun. I was challenged by a viewer to try to imitate another photographer, and that was what I worked on. Some other are again the Pep Ventosa method, and creatively editing flowers are some that continue to be top in my YouTube video rankings. So just thought that might be interesting to share with you. So now I wanted to go over and talk to you about the new membership program. So when you're in YouTube and you go to my main channel page, you can do this on your phone or you can do it on your computer. It's hard to do on your TV. You have to go to the membership tab. From there, you'll be able to see there are 2 membership levels. Now, under the 2 membership levels, there's a fee for each one. The second level is the one that gives you more things, of course, that are offered. So number 1, you get early access to new videos before everyone else. You'll also get your own select members only videos. But I think the main thing and the main reason I created this membership is to do monthly live sessions. So these will be monthly Zoom sessions for Q&A, for demonstration, for projects, all kinds of things. I've got lots of ideas, but I just launched the membership a few days ago. So I will start the monthly live sessions in February once the membership grows. So if you're interested in joining the community, getting a little extra perks and some extra editing support, then feel free to jump over to the membership tab, check out the 2 options. Again, option 2 is the one that's going to give you those monthly live sessions, and it's a small fee, goes a long way to support me, and I hope you'll get lots of great learning from it. So that's going to be it for today. I just wanted to jump in and say hello, wish you a happy new year, and tell you about what's new for my channel in 2025. I'll still be making regular videos and posting them. I'm not sure if I'll be doing it every week, but I will be getting those videos out. And if you have topics that you'd love to see this year, send me a note in the comments. Thanks everybody. Have a great one.